Our fool is drawn out from his dark hiding place by sunlight as though he is being pulled up from some low point on a wheel. It is time for luck and it is time for change. The wheel, friends, symbolizes completeness. The tens in the minor arcana also signify completeness. Hence, the Wheel of Fortune and the tens are the major minor arcana card connect. The wheel symbolizes rise and fall of fortunes. Further, it also brings the message of karma, which says that what goes around comes around. So our Wheel of Fortune is the card of luck. It is the card of change and movement. It is the time when luck favors us, destiny favors us. It is about our fortune and it is about predestined karma.